That bang is equivalent in volume as to how excited I am for this video. Hello, my name is Pauline and I do things. Like many people, I am obsessed with Animal Crossing. And before you even ask, no, you can't visit my island because I don't have a Nintendo Switch. But I do live vicariously through people who post snapshots of theirs on Tumblr. Now, I'd like to take a trip down memory lane. My first run-in with Animal Crossing was on Nintendo DS. But then, while I was asleep on a red-eye flight, someone went through my carry-on bag and stole little Pauline's Nintendo DS and all of her games, except for one. They left Mario Kart. Nothing like having a game cartridge, nothing to play it on. And I didn't end up getting a replacement, so that came kind of to an end. But then, my sister, who's manning the camera, hi. She got a Wii for one of her birthdays. I forget which birthday. And then we got Animal Crossing City Folk. We definitely argued over turns a lot. We were pretty obsessed with it. We had a wonderful town. I'm sure it's covered in weeds now. Because as we got busier and we weren't home as much, we kind of stopped being able to play it. But then, Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. Now I have Animal Crossing on my phone for 3 years now. And I might have an unhealthy obsession. I did at one point start dreaming in Animal Crossing vision. So I went on a little detox when that happened, but I still play it like literally every day. It's really a soothing game, but my favorite part is dressing my character. Which brings me to today's video, where I will be creating outfits based off of outfits I have worn, or my character, it's not me, it's my character, has worn in the game. I'm going to be doing 5 looks, and of course those will go up on Instagram if you want to follow me. I wanted to do this video because I realized a lot of my wardrobe is already very Animal Crossing inspired, and since we won't really be doing Halloween this year, so this video is kind of filling that void of not getting to wear costumes. Instead, I will just become an in real life Animal Crossing character. So although my rainbow glasses are gold, they're outlined in black, I still have rainbow glasses. Can we just talk about how that, and I have a net, I literally have everything. I don't have a short sleeve shirt, but I have a long sleeve, and I'm actually glad because it's 60 degrees and windy. I don't know if you can see by my legs, but I'm covered in goosebumps. I actually have an overall dress. I already had this. I actually thrifted it. And then I'm wearing bobby socks with my Oxfords. I couldn't be more accurate, honestly, if I tried. Oh, and my backpack. I purposely got this backpack because of Animal Crossing. Because I have it in Animal Crossing, then I got it in real life. Here is my fishing look. I feel like I look very nautical. I'm wearing a good old cap, just like the one, actually the one I have in Animal Crossing is a police cap. This isn't a police cap, I don't think, but it looks so similar. I'm wearing tortoiseshell glasses. Well, they're not real tortoiseshell, but just like I was wearing, they're labeled tortoiseshell glasses. A little yellow parka, as they called it. My backpack again. I'm just left on the overall because I have a denim skirt on in there, and I put on my rain boots. Here is my apple picking look, or my fruit picking look. I have a straw hat, a different pair of glasses. I actually have glasses that match those ones, but I couldn't find them. But these, I kind of like the shape, I think is quite close. I grabbed a book because I somehow have a book as a prop on there. And this is a hoodie dress that I also bought because of Animal Crossing. And I just paired it with my Toms because they kind of look like little beige shoes. But yeah, I feel like this is the most accurate. Well, I keep saying that about every outfit, but I feel like this might be the most accurate look of them all. I feel like everything I have is exactly from what my character in Animal Crossing has. We just have the same closet. We're twinsies. And here's my homage to city folk from Wii. I have my umbrella. I'm wearing a Canadian tuxedo. Very cool and stylish. I have my boba cup. It's not a boba cup. We don't have any boba places around, so I can't get any boba. I have my mask. I took it off so you could hear me speak, but I'm gonna put it on. It's part of the look, because if I were to go to the city, I would want to be in a bubble and be like a bobo. Hocus pocus, like that. I'm in the final outfit, complete with a witch's hat. It rhymed! Haha! Yeah, I already had this hat and I recently purchased it. I've got my book again. This time pretend it's a spell book. I had to switch out the skirt. I have a green skirt, added a belt. I already had this funny little vest thing. It's absolutely perfect, and yeah, I'm all festive. Ta-da! 5 Animal Crossing looks in real life. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment below which was your favorite and if I should do a video like this again. Like winter looks, like ooh, when winter starts rolling around, maybe we'll do this for Christmas. Maybe I'll do this for like every season/holiday because I have a problem. Seems like a good idea. And lastly, subscribe if you want to see more of my shenanigans. I post every Sunday at some point in the day. Bye!